What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I have one of my biggest Cnfans hauls yet. I think this is the biggest. Hold on, bad camera skills. This is, I think, the biggest haul I have gotten. This is around 20 kg. But yeah, this haul is absolutely huge. There's like 5 pairs of shoes. There's like 5 hoodies. There's so much things in here. It's all squished in here. It's kind of crazy. Anyways, I'll be opening it and showing you what could possibly be inside of this big box. So yeah, let's go. The haul is open. As you can see, I folded a bunch of boxes in there. That'll just show you. I got like 5 pairs of shoes in there. Hold on. You really think I'm about to open my haul without telling you how to get some free Cnfans coupons? Nah, you gotta be out of your mind. Anyways, if you're new to Cnfans and you want to save some good money on your future hauls, click the first link in my description, sign up, and check your user center for some free Cnfan coupons. You're welcome. Now I'll show you the haul. I can't lie, when I brought this into the house today, I could barely carry it up the driveway. It's like literally so heavy. Oh my god, I dropped on my foot. I'm just gonna dump everything out. Oh, I think I woke my mom up. What did I even get here? I don't even know, bro. I just be buying random things. Like, I didn't buy random things. All right, I'm just gonna start grabbing off the floor. I don't even care. It's not organized anymore. What is this? Let's see what this is. This is a Stone Island, as you can see, but hold on, you can't see. As you can see by the Stone Island patch on the side, this is from Top Stony. You know, I've always heard about Top Stony, so I bought this Stone Island hoodie. It's just black though. I don't know what Stone Island is. This kind of just feels like, you know, like a Nike hoodie or just like a normal hoodie, you know, like it definitely feels like a hoodie you would buy. I'm pretty sure this was like $30, so it's definitely not as expensive as the Stone Island original hoodie. Yeah, pretty good quality, pretty like, you know, like I don't know what to say about this. It's just a black hoodie. I'm losing it. You know, should I put it on? I think I'll put it on. I'll try it on. Anyways, I just got word I'm going to China at the end of February. Thanks to Cnfans. You know, I love you, Cnfans. Yeah, they're gonna bring me to China and like give me like a tour. So I'm gonna record that and post it on this YouTube channel. But if you have any recommendations of what I should do there, comment down below. So off the bat, I noticed this is a very fitted hoodie. I'll show you. It's a very fitted hoodie. I don't really have much hoodies like this, but you know, on to the next items. We gotta keep this moving. Just so y'all know, everything in this video will be in my spreadsheet, repsheets.net. Repsheets has over 5,000 items. You know, it's the biggest spreadsheet out there. If you can find a bigger one, I'll literally cash app you. I don't even care. But yeah, check out repsheets.net. It has everything you need, you know. Next item, I just grabbed this off the floor. Kind of a backstory behind this. The link I ordered from, it looked like a COS X North Face like crew neck, like, or not, I don't know, crew neck, a sweater. So I bought it, it came to the warehouse, I click on the picture, and this is what I see. This like fleece jacket, which it's kind of like, I'm like, okay, it's kind of cool though. I might just keep it anyways. So that's how I ended up with this item. I'm gonna try this on, so taking this off already. Guys, what is that? What is that? Guys, what is that? Is that doo-doo stains inside of my jacket? Doo-doo stains, bruh. Ew. Yeah, this jacket is horrible quality. I can't lie. Look at that stitching. This is horrible quality. Let me just try it on. Okay, this is what it looks like on me. I don't know how I feel about this. Like the neck, it feels like just kind of like feels obstructing, but if I pull it down, like it's still in the way. I don't know if I'm ever gonna wear this. The quality overall just feels horrible. Like this is, I don't know if it's supposed to keep me warm, because it's definitely not. This feels so thin. So far we're off to a interesting start with this haul. Anyways, if you want to get anything in this haul, you have yet to see like the rest of the stuff, but you can go to repsheets.net. It's the best spreadsheet of them all. I'm telling you, there's like 4,000 items on there already. Anyways, next item. I'm kind of sick of hoodies because I have to try them on. Ooh, okay, I like this. I've been wanting this. Oh, I've been wanting this for so long. Balenciaga. This probably looks crazy on the camera if you don't know this, but this is the Fortnite X Balenciaga collab. Fortnite X Balenciaga collab. This came out like in 2020. The back of it's mirrored, but retail row, and then it says like retail row in like 30 different languages, or it just says like shopping center. Fortnite X Balenciaga collab. This will be worn. I love Fortnite and I love Balenciaga. I'm a Fortnite kid. Kids growing up with like Skibbity toilet today. I can't lie, I grew up with Fortnite. Like, I don't care. But yeah, that costed like 50 bucks, 40 bucks. Why it's kind of getting toasty? Like this it's kind of getting me warm. It's looking comfy. I don't know. Like, it's just this. I have so much mixed feelings about this. Anyways, next item. I think I'm gonna grab a shoe. So the shoe I grabbed are these off-white. Off-Night, I think 29 out of 50. Anyways, I've wanted these. These are my favorite colorway of these, even though I know like they look basic, but they're off-white collab at the end of the day. Here you go. This is what they look like. Oh, I have something to say. I have something to tell you. So I have a little bit of a secret for you guys. So I have like 2 more shoes. This is another one of them. The person I bought these from, the seller, it's a retired Pandabuy seller. So all this stuff was like $10. This shoe right here is $10. This is 1-to-1 quality. I could literally and make money off of this. And when I tell you this is very good quality, it is. And this only costed me like 10 bucks. So next, go to rep sheets if you want them. Next shoe, I don't really even want to open these because like we've all seen dunks before. Like how can a dunk be so special? It really isn't. So I got a blind box of dunks and this is what I got. So possibly like one of the boring ones, I'm sorry. Just a blue colorway. They had like off-white ones in there. They had literally SBs, they had everything, and I got this. How lucky. Those were like $10 as well. I also got another blind box of dunks, and this is the one I got. These are like a bone. These are like the bone colorway. Got like some beige on the bottom or like gray on the top. It's just a dunk. Like who cares? Like I'm just gonna skip past this. Wait, I swear to God, I thought I got flip flops. I'm glad I got these because this was another blind box. I'm sorry, I got like 4 blind boxes in here, mystery boxes. So it's a mystery box for Birkenstocks. I'm gonna put the picture up if I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm gonna insult me right now on the screen. All right. Okay. So I thought I had no intention of wearing the flip flop kind. I was literally just gonna give them away. But you know, I'd actually put these on, and these are from the same seller. So of course it's gonna be very high quality. Yup. Birkenstock, got the suede all around. You already know. Got the cork. I'm gonna try these on because like everyone I know has Birkenstocks, and like I don't get the hype around them. They just look like a bottle, like a cork. I heard like they're gonna form to your feet over the next like week you wear them. Okay, actually, like why do they kind of feel good? Like they're like hard to step on, but like they kind of like fit your feet. I never worn sandals like this, so I feel like a grandpa. I got the Jesus sandals on. I can't lie. These are low key comfy. I'm keeping them on. I'm gonna keep them on. Next, what should I grab next? All right, I'm literally just grabbing random stuff. I have like 3 random pieces of jewelry from that same seller that had the mystery boxes, like the retired Pandabuy seller. He says like every purchase you make, you get a free piece of jewelry. This is literally not jewelry. This is laces. So goodbye. This is pretty cool. You know, I'll get this to like my mom or something. And then this, I have no clue. I'm gonna take it out. What is this? So unfortunately, my mic died, but I got it on. I think this is like a woman's bracelet. So I low-key have a problem. I got it on and I can't get it off. So anyways, we got a haul to go through. So let's go. Here's all like the boxes for the shoes. You don't care about that. I don't care about that. So this is from Broken Planet. The one thing about Broken Planet is the hoods are like just like abnormally small, so it kind of looks like weird. Like I'm okay with wearing it from time to time. Like, are you serious? Like, is this even like, it looks weird when it's on your back. What having a hood if it's not even usable? Anyways, I'm gonna try it on. I'm finally gonna take off this weird jacket. I got doo-doo stains on my back right now. I forgot about that. Okay, I really like how it fits. Why does it feel so like, but I've wanted this hoodie for, I'd say I've wanted it for like a year now, because we're gonna buy it back in Pandabuy days. And then the Pandabuy, it's a cool design on the back. You can see it's like a spider web. You got Broken Planet right here, and you got like a world right here. Pretty cool. I'm gonna keep it on for the time being. Let me do this. So this one right here, I like how this haul is different from like the rest of my hauls. You're not saying no essentials in here. I'm actually like trying new stuff, but I actually really like this shirt. It's a human-made duck. It's a human-made duck. I love the simple designs. Why is it kind of like see-through? On my end it looks see-through, but I know it's not. But I love like the simple designs. This is like such a simple design that it can just be worn. And if you know, you know, or if you know, it matches the rug on the floor, because this is a human-made duck rug and this is a human-made shirt. So you can get it at Rep Sheets. Is it bad? Like I'm starting to itch after wearing that doo-doo stained jacket. Like, is it bad? I think it's a pretty bad thing. Second to last item. I really hope this fits. If it doesn't fit, I'm gonna crash out because I really want this to fit. Oh my God, it feels like how I thought it'd feel. It feels so fluffy. This is like, how does a hoodie feel fluffy? Like, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So this is the Supreme X Margiela. I think that's what it is. I got the gray one. There's like a black and a green one. But inside the hood, it has like a little design. It looks so clean, so that's why I bought it. It was like 35 bucks. Well, let me try it on. I didn't have my mic on. I'm just gonna reset everything. So yeah, this hoodie, it fits me pretty well. I like it's like a nice oversized fit. I don't know what it feels really comfy. It's really soft. It's really warm. It's like a cloud. Like the gray reminds me of a cloud. On the sleeve it has some lettering. But yeah, this is one of this was like a $30 one. There was a $40 one. I kind of wish I got the $40 one. When you're buying reps, means you're paying extra $10 for the quality. It feels so comfy. This is one of the better hauls because I'm actually like satisfied with like 99% of the things in here. I want to have more hauls like this in the future, like please. Anywho, on to the last item. This item I'm really excited for. Also, once again, everything in this haul you can get at repseats.net. Last plug, finally. Last item, I'm really excited for this. I bet you $100 you can't guess what it is right now. Exactly, that's how like exotic this item is. Let me turn on lighting for this. What I'm about to open, some Chrome Hearts chopsticks. Are you serious? Chrome Heart chopsticks. But like, look at them. Wow, look at that. Chrome Hearts wrapping around. These are reusable wood ones, so like they're not single use trash. I mean, you know, I have to train for my chopstick skills because I am going to China soon. Like I said, I can't look like a clown using a fork in China, so like this is very necessary. I don't really want to open it right now. Where did I even stumble upon this? Like, are you serious? Chrome Heart chopsticks? Like, this is some Chrome Heart demon type stuff. Like, I'm not even on that Chrome Heart stuff, but this is some Chrome Heart demon type stuff. Yeah, I'm a loser because I paid 50 bucks for chopsticks. I don't care. Call me a loser then. That has to conclude my 20 kg biggest Cnfans haul of my career. I really like this hoodie. I hope it don't shrink. I really like everything in the haul. This is like a 10 out of 10 haul. I don't have anything wrong with it. This doesn't happen very often with me. Anyways, I've been wearing the Birkenstocks the entire video, and look, they like formed to my feet. That's so nasty to show, but like, I'm sorry, they did. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, please drop a like and subscribe. Join my Discord. Awesome community in there. I got mods. I got people that will help you. If you have any questions, go on my Discord because I barely, you know, get the comments notifications. Anyways, thank you guys so much because of you guys, I can go to China and I can experience the Chinese culture and you know, just tour China, and it's gonna be so fun. And I'm gonna record every single bit of it. I'm gonna post it. They're letting me tour the Cnfans warehouse, so I'm gonna give you a behind the scenes action at the Cnfans warehouse, the packing, the parcel, the order, everything. I'm going to a bunch of cities and it's gonna be amazing. Make sure you get your free coupons and peace out.